Now comes the tutorial part, which I had promised, and I've written this in my About section in the YouTube channel about the tutorials which would be coming. Hello friends, let's begin with the creative writing series. And now I have renamed my channel as the Creative Book Writing Pen. So you'll find Nilesh Chogle as part of Creative Book Writing Pen and not as my name, prima facie. As promised in my About information in the YouTube portal, I am giving all of you videos and patient listeners, video seers and listeners, about 50 plus videos which I have posted till today. Now this is the tutorial part, and this is an exercise which you will have to do solely alone. Of course, I am there by your side all the time. They are as below. They are simple. They are not at all difficult. Each one has to practice in their own way, in their own spare time, and as a matter of fact, a way of learning creative writings from the Creative Book Writing Pen. This is a series, of course, which I have started. I hope you are liking this series. And here are some questions. Number 1, why write? Why write? Question mark. Expand on the reason for writing a novel or a short story. 2, I have already dealt with this exhaustively in my initial videos, maybe third or fourth video, about motivation. Motivation. What is the motivation to keep writing a short story or a novel? As I said, a short story could be any amount. It could be even 100 words. It could be 200 words, 250 words, see about 3,000 words or 5,000 words. So that would be part of the short story. Whereas a novel, it could be somewhere around beginning from 20,000 to 30,000 words and onwards. Third, favorite writers. Who are your favorite novelists? Whose books you've read? And what can you draw from them as material that you can use in your novel or a short story? Fourth, I've dealt with the aspect of dreams that we use for writing novels. Okay. So dreams is another aspect which I have dealt with. Try writing anything that comes from your mind in about 200 to 250 words from any dream you had in the past. It's going to be very interesting. 5, create a scene. As Stacy's expressed and elucidated earlier for a short story of 200 to 250 words. I'll know from these exercises that you have tried and succeeded, as also the fact whether you are liking my videos or are actually learning from my YouTube videos on creative writings. Please take this as a challenge. and send me for my evaluations on my Gmail given in the description below. And I'll be there to reply to you with perspectives on writing exercises. You may also put your comments about the course content from the Creative Book Writing Pen. It's all free and no qualms attached. Age group, any age group. Here I end my video with a request to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, offer your comments as always, and share the videos with your friends and acquaintances. Thank you very much.